Within the BJP, it's Narendra Modi's last hurdle. He plans to cross it by this evening. But the journey to this point has been challenging to say the least. Modi has weathered many pitfalls and some tough political climate. As the last act of his coronation pot boiler unfolds, we tell you how Narendra Modi moved cutting down on political opposition within his own party with a lot of help from the RSS.
This is where it all began. The first indication that Modi was ready to spread his wings. The urge to move into 7 RCR first became evident here. That was 2011. But between then and now, Modi's PM ambition went through several ups and downs. Criticism poured in, his image, his politics, his way of governance coming under scrutiny. But Modi faced these obstacles head on, step by step. Modi's resounding win in Gujarat elections laid the groundwork for his anointment. A jubilant Modi making his ambitions amply clear in his acceptance speech. Then there was the RSS. Modi was not the immediate choice of the Sangh masters, but the Gujarat Chief Minister warmed up with the RSS, including making a visit to the Nagpur headquarters.
Two things have gone in Mr. Modi's favor. One, he has captured the imagination of the workers of the BJP across, not just in Gujarat, but across the country. From a regional leader, he's become a national leader. He's the unusual chief minister who will become a national face, despite not moving out of his state. And the pressure from below was simply overwhelming. The RSS couldn't reject it or neglect it. The BHP couldn't neglect it. If I could mention another fraternal organization, and of course the BJP could neglect it.
As Modi continued his surge, the watershed moment came in Goa. A sulking Advani decided to skip the meet. And for the first time, BJP moved beyond Advani, elevating Modi as BJP's campaign committee chief for 2014.
आज मैंने गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी को चुनाव अभियान समिति का चेयरमैन घोषित किया है.
Modi's elevation leading to Advani's resignation from party posts, RSS intervened and forced the patriarch to fall in line. Then came the big blow. Key ally Nitish Kumar walked out of the NDA. The rumblings began. Shatrughan Sinha, Yashwant Sinha, and others raising the banner of revolt.
लोकप्रिय तो हैं. आप अगर ना सिर्फ नरेंद्र मोदी बहुत लोकप्रिय हैं, बहुत लोकप्रिय हैं नरेंद्र मोदी, और मैं समझता हूँ वो सक्षम भी हैं, क्योंकि जैसे हमारे शिवराज सिंह चौहान हैं और बहुत सारे लोग हैं, लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जी का भी ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के मामले में, सरकार के मामले में, सरकार चलाने के मामले में या उपलब्धियों के मामले में, उसके मामले में दो राय नहीं है, बहुत अच्छे हैं. लेकिन लोकप्रियता ही सिर्फ आधार नहीं हो सकती है. सिर्फ आप बहुत लोग देश में, मैं समझता हूँ आज के दिन सबसे लोकप्रिय अगर कोई है तो मैं समझता हूँ अमिताभ बच्चन है. अमिताभ बच्चन इतने लोकप्रिय हैं, मेरी इच्छा है कि वो देश के राष्ट्रपति बने, हमारी इच्छा है.
But Modi too had his share of controversies. His puppy remark triggered a political war.
कोई भी व्यक्ति, हम अगर कार चला रहे हैं, अब वी आर अ ड्राइवर, और कोई ड्राइव कर रहा है और हम पीछे बैठे, फिर भी एक छोटा कुत्ते का बच्चा भी अगर कार के नीचे आ जाता है तो हमें पेन फील होता है कि नहीं? होता है. मैं अगर मुख्यमंत्री हूं या नहीं हूं, मैं एक इंसान हूं, कहीं पर भी कुछ बुरा होगा तो दुख होना बहुत स्वाभाविक है.
But in spite of that, Sangh continued to back Modi to the hilt, and its final stamp of approval came in Delhi last week. RSS telling the BJP to anoint Modi now.
ऐसा है, संघ ने अपनी भूमिका पहले स्पष्ट कर दी है. यह निर्णय पार्टी को करना है, पार्टी करेगी, और संघ का जो मत है वो संघ के लोगों ने पार्टी को बता दिया है, वो पार्टी जानती है.
Modi may have passed the first hurdle, but now comes a bigger test. Will his autocratic style of functioning come in his way?
There is no number two that I know of in the Gujarat government after Mr. Modi. So that speaks volumes about his style of functioning. I think that he'd be a different person. I hope that he is a different person if he gets a chance to rule India.
काम जिस तरह से वो करते हैं उसमें उनके प्लानिंग के जो बिंदु ध्यान में आते हैं तो इससे उसको विजनरी का टाइटल मिला है.
Can Modi live up to the hype and translate his popularity into votes? Bureau Report, Headlines Today.